Hey everyone, how are you? I'm Jane. Today's live is about my new product that I'm adding to my inventory. But anyways, how are you doing? How is everybody? Once again, it's me, Jane. I go by Jane on Facebook, and my company is called Remain the Goddess. And I specialize in making machine-made wigs. I use 100% virgin human hair. It can last you for 2 years and beyond with great care and maintenance. But as today, I custom make them, by the way, guys. You send me your measurements, I custom make them. Yeah, and I use both systems. I use the pre-order method, and I always have some ready to ship wigs. So as you can see, today I have these beautiful ladies here. I don't know whether you can see them. Hi, twin. So these beautiful ladies here, they have my new product that I've added today on the website. So when I was thinking about this, you know, when you're home, you're a mom, sometimes you don't have time to like maybe put together your hair. Not even a mom, or you're just rushing to the store or pick up something real quick. You're in the house, you don't want to be like combing your hair or put on your wig, you know. So I have these wig cups. The one in red, I called it Miami. So it's Miami. Hi Jane, how are you? I called it Miami. So it's in the deep wave texture, you can see. Let me first snap off this wig. See, these wigs are glueless, guys. And ladies, sorry, I use guys because I'm so much used to it, but this is a ladies corner. So you just take it off and that's it. So I was talking about this one right here. I called her Miami. She's in color red, but she can be made with any hair texture, but I just chose red to call it Miami. I'm gonna be having 3 colors, so you're gonna be seeing this one. You're going somewhere, boom. So, and voila, you're ready to hit the store, go visit, say hi to a friend or something, but still looking chic and stylish. See, ladies, simple, very light. It's made with 1 bundle of hair. So, and that's all you're gonna be paying just for 1 bundle. You're not even paying for a cup, but just the price of my bundles, and that's it. So another one in that category, I called these on the grind hats, because like, yeah, you're on time, you don't have that much time to put yourself together. This one is called Atlanta or ATL. This one comes in both textures. This is the deep wave texture, and it has this one, the loose deep wave texture. So all you gotta do, you're rushing somewhere, are you coming to pay me a visit? So this is just 14 inches. Simplistic, guys, but still looking the shimony, right? So, and the last one from the grind wig hats is this mustard yellow. This one is in the loose deep wave. The waves are so loose, but you can still see it's like loose waves, but still nice. These are 20 inches on here. This one I named her, oops, that fell. It's my earrings, sorry guys. So these you just snap on. They have the adjustable strap in the back. You can adjust it to your head size, and boom, you're ready to hit the streets. So these are the 3 colors I have. They are in length 14 to 20. So remember, you're only paying for the bundles and not the wigs. Can you imagine, ladies? And that's it. And another one that I'm really excited about. Hi baby, Gina baby. Hi Jackie, I see you right there. Thank you. Okay, so these ones, ladies, I'm really excited because it was kind of like a last minute thought, but thank God I had sent for the hats and then I had them there, but I wanted to do something like this. See, these ones you cannot get off the weft or the wig. It's like sewn on the cap. But then these ones are called She's Fancy. So these ones you can go to church, you can go hit a club, you can go to a party or anything, you know. It's a fancy one on a more fancy. But then I was like, you know, when you're running a business, you have to assume you're the customer at the same time you're the owner. So I was like, so what if someone wants to really wash the hair? Is she going to dip the whole hat and the hair in there? I was like, no, because it's more fancy, it's more chic than these ones. These are like on the grind, you know. So I was like, so I hit Joann's store and I thought of this idea whereby it can easily be strapped off like that, and then you can wash real good your wefts, and then when dry or after styling it, you can snap it back on just like this. Very easy. And the good thing with this one, it's versatile. You know why? Because you can buy a hat or like the way it is from me, and then you're like, next time I can keep the color of the hat, but then I can order a different texture of hair, or like, you know, like a different strap-on of hair, and then you can have the same hat but with different hairstyles if you cannot style these yourselves. And boom, ladies. You cannot tell me nothing. Look. It's a sleigh over here. What's you? So these ones are called She's Fancy, but this color is called Goddess. And these are 20 inches of the loose dip wave on here. And then I called this color Princess because she looks. And then this one is a loose dip. Sorry, this one is a deep wave. And then is a snap on. Go for a barbecue, go to church, go to your boo, you know. And then this one, the black one, I called her Queen. So I love blonde colors, I love blonde shades, so I was like, let me just do something different. So this one, they are all like strap-ons. You can change them, take it off for washing or styling. So give me a name with this hat, ladies. Give me a name.
Good job.
Are you a lefty, a righty?
Strong diamond.
Anyways, thank you, ladies. That was my idea from my home that I cooked up just to ease our days as ladies. We always have a lot going on, but you're saving some time if you want to do your makeup, and then instead of like gluing down your wig or I don't know, or something, you know, we always have extras, ladies. We always have extras. So I invented this. I thought about it last minute to use the strap-on method. And I was like, yeah, I'm good to go. So for any questions, ladies or gentlemen that are here, I know you got ladies. Twin. Oh, sorry. My son came through. Okay. Bye, sir. I love you. Send your ladies to me, you know, send your ladies, your sisters, your mamas. You can even tell your enemy that someone has a dope business. You know, I'm legit. I'm registered, everything. I use 100% virgin human hair. And my website is www.romainthegoddess.com. My Facebook handle and Instagram is Romain the Goddess. Thank you for watching. I got mink lashes too, right there, apart from the wigs. Now I have the wig hats. Thank you, and hopefully you support. Thank you, ladies. Have a blessed night, and thanks for your time. God bless you all, and stay safe.